Okay, asante sana kwa niaba ya kila mtu. Mimi naitwa John, na manage children's home Springs of Life hapa Kibera. Iko under Grace Mbithi. Jambo la kwanza nataka kuongelea about the loan, the money that these guys are supposed to be paying after they're done with studies. As we know, the poor, vulnerable guys, it's not easy for them to get a job. Most of the guys who get jobs are those well-being, rich people. So after you're done with the schooling, hata kama ulipata D, you're going to get a job because maybe your father is is wealthy. But these guys from the street, that you pick them from the street, ni ngumu sana upate akona well-wisher. So unapata their life before, it's a hectic, it's just terrible. Then he's finishing school, he wants to start a new life, a new beginning. Then boom, member deni ya 2 million. Imagine that. So I could maybe urge the government to try as much as they can, do the bursary for the vulnerable without them paying an extra cash at the end of the day after they're done with their studies. They give them bursaries or presidential bursaries. Then they give them a small amount of money for them to pay after they are done their study, because this is a street children, this is an orphan. Ajui ataanza wapi, imagine that. So the moment amemaliza shule anaona there's a light at the tunnel, anapatana na loan nyingine, alafu kuna hizi taxations zimekuja, alafu akishapata job tena zimeanza kuongezwa juu. Do you think we are helping them? We are just making them their life worse and more worse. You know, it's not right. I think they should just consider.
Asante sana. Yeah. Labda kwa heshima upitishe kipaza sauti kwa mwenzangu. Huyu ni mwanafunzi